Namaskar. Good evening to everybody. This is our next episode. Sharmila takes art here for you all, and it's very encouraging that we have only 4 to 5 videos that we have uploaded in YouTube, but your immense response, has overwhelmed me, and it's very encouraging for me, and it's very hard work that we are working, and we like to make your apparels, your outfits even better day by day with our creations. All the time we are thinking about new innovations, new styles in your outfit. তো আজকে আমি কিছু হ্যান্ডলুম দেখাবো. Today I am going to show you some handlooms of West Bengal. As you all know, West Bengal is famous for its handloom, its silks, you know. So these are all hand woven sarees that I am going to show you today. প্রথমে আমি আমাদের প্রথম শাড়িতে যাই. প্রথম শাড়িটা একটা হ্যান্ডলুম রয়েছে, সিল্ক হ্যান্ডলুম. সেটার আঁচলে জামদানি ওয়ার্ক রয়েছে, আর পুরো শাড়িটাই রয়েছে একটা সিঙ্গেল কালারে. শাড়িটার কালার হচ্ছে ডার্ক বটল গ্রিন in color. The whole saree, very English color, I should say. This bottle green is very much English. Bottle green color এর শাড়ি, এটা সিল্ক হ্যান্ডলুমে রয়েছে. এটার ব্লাউজ পিসটা আমি একটু দেখাবো. Blouse piece is black in color. The blouse piece is black in color, and this is the border of the blouse piece, plain. The sari has also plain border. That is the beauty of the sari, and it's very green in color, and you can see that this is jari and gicha work, hand woven work at the back of it. This is hand woven, you can all see. The price of the sari is 2650, 2650 only. So this goes our first sari. As you all know, as you have been doing a screenshot, and you just deposit the money at our phone pay number or our Google Pay number. 9830856724 is our Google Pay phone pay number, where you can deposit the amount and we courier the sari, and in Kolkata you can get COD. This sari is cotton khadi handloom with jamdani work again at the pallu, and body also is having. This is very nice color, egg yolk type of color, or very light orange, on which you get orange and black motifs done. Hand woven jamdani work. This is also famous at West Bengal. So this is the palla of the sari, plain borders. One side you get red, and the other border is, the whole sari goes like this. This is the sari, very soft and cotton handloom, very soft cotton handloom. The price of the sari is 2500 only. Now I show you, this is another handloom sari, very fancy sari. I've got 3 colors in this now. This is purple in color. It has got also blouse piece with it. The blouse piece of the sari I like to show you first. This is the blouse piece. Of the sari, and the palla has pom. এই হচ্ছে পাল্লাটা শাড়িটার, পার্পল কালার, ভীষণ সুইট একটা পার্পল কালার, ভীষণ ইজি টু মেনটেইন, লাইট ওয়েট শাড়ি. এটা হচ্ছে পার্পল কালার. এটার মধ্যেই আমাদের কাছে 3টে কালার্স রয়েছে, সেগুলো আমি একসাথেই দেখিয়ে দেবো. 1750 is the price. Very light weight, very soft. We have got this purple. After purple we get this green color. I am not opening, it's the same quality, same sari. This is light parrot green, very sweet again. These are all made in very light colors, and this one is again orange, light orange, yellowish orange, you can say. These are the 3 saris. All the 3 are like the same purple one. 1750 is the price. Now I go to one khadi cotton sari. This is only 1450 hand woven in our West Bengal only. শাড়িটা দেখুন, লাল কালো শাড়ি. This is the sari. The sari is like this. Half of the sari is check, black and red, and half is solid red. This is the palla of the sari. Very soft. It has running blouse piece. 1450 is the price. This is pure cotton. Another cotton sari I show you. This is type of green, you know, Rama green, very light Rama green, light shade. This is the palla of the sari. This is also hand woven sari, very soft, pure cotton sari. 2250 is the price of the sari, and this is the palla as I shown you. This whole sari goes like this. It has running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Very ethnic aristocrat sari. Office goers can choose this. This is pure cotton. Those who like pure cottons, no. For them, now I go to my next sari. This is light green in color. 1650 is the price. Temple border at both side. Both side. This is Rani. This is orange. This is the palla. And whole sari goes like this. This is the sari. And this is a blouse piece in contrast. See, beautiful blouse piece. And these temples are also done in hand. Pure cotton sari. 1650 is the price. I think we have got another color on this. I show you that color later on, little later. This is parrot green, fish motif done at the middle of the sari. Very ethnic one. As we all know, fish is very auspicious. This is the blouse piece. First I show you the blouse piece, and this is the palla of the sari. This is the palla. If you wear the sari or drape it, it would look like this. I show you. This is how the sari looks. Green in color. Green and blue. A little yellow you get at the middle. Very nice sari. Very pure cotton. Now I go to another middle border sari. This is blue, two shades of blue. It has got also running blouse piece along with it. This is the palla. This is the palla of the sari. The blouse piece is grey in color and palla is grey. Palla grey. And half sari, and this border goes in the middle. This border goes like this. This is the sari, very soft, very soft. These are not to be starched, just wash them at home, give them a good wash and wear good, and you can get it pressed only. This is orange color. I had shown you another color on this design before. This is orange, and the blouse piece is Rani. And this is the palla of the sari, chocolate and orange, and Rani is the palla, chocolate is the border, and this is the temple work. Temple work, this is also very soft. 1650 is the price. It has running blouse piece along with it. Now I go to a pure cotton, khadi cotton. Fish motif sari. This is the palla of the sari. Palla of the sari is like this, black colored and grey, very aristocrat colors, grey, red, black. This is the middle border. This goes like this. This is the palla, and the blouse piece is maroon in color. I show you the blouse piece separately. Every sari has got blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. You can put this border on your hands, on your back. Your tailor can. 1650 is the price. Oh, extremely sorry. This is 1800, 1800, pure cotton. This is a linen sari. 2800 is the price. Cotton linen. Very sweet color of it. And the blouse piece also it has. This is a striped blouse piece. Okay. And this lemon is the palla of the sari. Border is maroon. And this ball work it has gone at the upper yoke. Beautiful sari, lemon color, And this is the whole sari. It has got blouse piece also. 2800, very soft, easy to maintain sari. All the saris that I am showing today are all easy to maintain. I go to a pure cotton, another handloom. This is green in color. This has got gicha at the pallu. See, this is the gicha work. These are the gicha work. And the blouse piece is also in gicha. This is, price is only 1850. Today's saris are mostly within 2000. Very affordable price. Daily wear, office wear, easy to maintain, plain sari. The weaving itself is the design. The weaving itself is the design. If we can show the weaving itself is a lined one. And this, when you wear this sari, you must drape it with the blouse piece. See, the blouse piece also is in gicha, full blouse piece in gicha. And the palla is gicha. As we all know, gicha is very aristocratic, material. Very comfortable. Pure cotton. This is another pure cotton, South cotton. And it has got thread work on the border of it. On the border of the sari, thread work. This is a bicolor, maroon and black. And the border is golden. We have got these leaf motifs. These are hand woven. Hand woven, 1650 only. This is the palla of the sari. And this is how the sari looks. The whole sari goes like this. This is also with blouse piece, pure cotton. Now we go to our last sari of today's session. That is one, bay leaf color sari. Along with that you get red blouse piece, red palla and red middle border, fish motif. See, very nice sari. This is the sari. Very nice sari. Very easy to maintain. Just, you won't have to starch them. You won't have to, do any other care for these saris, I think. Only a press is enough. This is 2275. This is the blouse piece. How gorgeous. It goes so well with the base color of the sari. And base color is also very new. This bay leaf type of color. This is the palla. Very nice sari. I hope you have liked our handloom section today. And again we'll be back with some more handlooms, some more linens. I hope you have liked them. If you like them, please subscribe and like our channel, and you just share it with your friends. That will help us to reach even more people. And you all know that in South Kolkata we have got our small showroom, we have got our own workshop. We work hard for you all. I hope you like this, and you have been already encouraging me by your orders. Place your orders and we are there for you. By courier we'll be sending, or in Kolkata we are ready to give you COD. So namaskar for today.